As the proud heir of the legendary Shri Nandamuri Tarak Ramarao Garu, Balakrishna Garu carries forward a legacy carved in greatness, a legacy of culture, courage and timeless impact. An icon who redefined energy and transformed every frame on screen. A hero celebrated for his excellence and unmatchable aura. An actor whose presence electrifies every frame and whose legacy has shaped 5 remarkable decades of Indian cinema. Shri Nandamuri Balakrishna Garu, a name that stands for passion, power and pride. From the mythological grace of Lord Rama to the royal stature of Sri Krishna Devaraya, from the fierce might of Narasimha Naidu to the mass elevation of Simha and Akhanda, he has portrayed characters that became cultural landmarks with dialogues that turned iconic.
చూడు, ఒకవైపే చూడు, రెండో వైపు చూడాలనుకోకు, తట్టుకోలేవు, మారిపోతావు.
And performances that remain unmatched. A 50-year journey defined by commitment, transformation and an ever-rising heroic spirit is his track record.
సెంటర్ అయినా, స్టేట్ అయినా, పొజిషన్ అయినా, అపోజిషన్ అయినా, పవర్ అయినా, పవర్ అయినా, నేను దిగనంత వరకే. Once I step in, history repeats.
Beyond cinema stands a leader devoted to people. As the MLA of Hindupur, term after term, the consecutive victories and no defeats, he has earned the unwavering trust of the people he serves. His leadership, development initiatives and dedication to welfare have transformed Hindupur into a model of progress and possibility. Not just a leader, but a true guardian of his constituency. As chairman of the Basavatarakam Indo-American Cancer Hospital, his compassion becomes hope, a world-class institution offering care, dignity and healing to thousands of families. His commitment to healthcare is not duty. It is the reflection of his heart across cinema, public life and social service. His character remains constant. Courage, compassion and commitment towards people. These values are exactly what connect him with Anita Group.
నేను ఒక సినిమా చేయాలంటే 100 రకాలుగా ఆలోచిస్తాను. మరి 100 ఏళ్ల నుంచి పోయే మీ సొంత ఇంటి గురించి ఒక్క రైట్ డిసిషన్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఆ ఒక్కటే అన్విత.
గట్టిగా చప్పట్లు. అమేజింగ్ ఏవి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. ఎస్, ఇప్పుడు నేను అనూప్, సన్ ఆఫ్ మేనేజింగ్ డైరెక్టర్ రాచిత్ర గారి సన్ని